What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube. Hostile sent us a package. We're gonna unbox it. Now I know what's in here because it says so right here. This is the all-new red brushed milled finish Hostile wheel. It's gonna be exclusive, only available through Custom Offsets, but I've never actually seen it other than photos. So this is gonna be my first time actually opening this thing up, taking a look at it, and I'm gonna show you guys and explain what it's all about. All right, so this is it. This is the Hostile Sprocket in the exclusive red and milled finish from Hostile. So like I said, this is kind of a partnership that we had with Hostile to make these wheels exclusively for us. So if you want to grab some, we're kind of the only place you can get them. So as far as the color goes on here, this is absolutely insane. I was really excited when I opened it up. The rim of the wheel, or the lip of the wheel I should say, has so much depth to it, and when the sun hits it, you can just see, it's almost like you're seeing like through this clear and this deep candy red right down to the milling, and they have nice milling details all the way around in the lip of the wheel. And then obviously you have this milling here too, right? So this is done with a really wide tool, really wide machining here, because you're taking out a huge chunk, which really narrows these spokes down, which is kind of what you're looking for. You want a wheel that looks like it's forged, but you don't have to quite pay forged price. And then the back side of this is done in black, so kind of hides brake dust and all that kind of stuff better. So you don't have to worry about polishing up your red face here quite so often. And then also the spokes on the back side are significantly thicker than on the front. That's going to be for your strength and your weight ratings. Like all Hostile wheels, at least as far as I'm aware, this is going to be exposed lug nut as well. So if you want to run spike lug nuts on here, you definitely can. Black would look good, but you could definitely do chrome also, since you do have so much milling going on to kind of bring some of that out. Your center cap is a black plastic cap, just so you know. A lot of people like to know what's going on with that. And then you also do have Hostile on the very bottom here as well, which you probably can't see, but we'll just get you a close-up shot so you can see that too. Style of the wheel, nothing new and exciting to explain here because you guys have seen the Sprocket before. It's available in black, chrome, asphalt is another one of their colors, but this is just new because it is red. So as far as sizes go, we're only gonna do 22 by 12 right now. It's the most popular size that people ask for, so that's what we're doing. And it's going to be available in both your Ford and Chevy 6-lug patterns, so 6 by 135 and 6 on 5.5. So that is the all-new Sprocket, the new red finish. If you guys want a set, we'll put the links down in the description below for you so you can check them out. And yeah, that's all you need to know. Peace.